All right, guys, for today's lecture, we are looking at our accidentals with a key signature and what does that end up looking like. Okay, so we have a few examples here. Let's take a look at our first one. This one is in the key of G, and we have 1 sharp. Now, in order to figure out all the other letter names, we have to first take a look at where that sharp is and figure out that letter name. That's Elvis's guitar broke down Friday. So that one is on an F. Okay, so every single F will be an F sharp, no matter where it happens. All right, so let's take a look at this first note here. That one is a G because of Elvis's guitar. This next one, that one would be an F because it's on a space and it's the first space, F-A-C-E. This one is an E because of Elvis, and this one is an F. Now let's go back and take a look at how does this key signature affect all of these letter names. Okay, so the only sharp we need to worry about at this point is an F sharp. So we have an F sharp right there, and then an F sharp right here. And then I see some of you going, but wait, Mr. McNeil, what about that natural? And to that, I would say you are absolutely right. That F has a natural on it, so it should not be an F sharp from the key signature, but instead we look at the note comes first. This one is in the key of F. We have 1 flat. Our first line would be an E from Elvis. Then we have G for guitar. B is the third line, and that's where our flat is, right here on the third line. Now notice, we're only paying attention to the circly part of the flat to figure out where it is at. Okay? We're not taking the center of the flat, just where would the note be if that were a note. And so this one is a B flat. Anything that is a B flat. All right, so this first note, I see it, it's on that third line, so of course that one is a B flat. This next one, that one is Elvis's guitar, F-A of face, and Elvis's guitar broke. So that one is also a B. Oh, do we have any flats or sharps from the key signature? Yes, 1 for any Bs. So that one is a B, so it is now a B flat. This one, we don't have any sharps or flats in the key signature, so now we are in the key of C major. All right, and our first one is F of face. Next one is the A, F-A of face. Next one is another F of face. And finally, we have an A of the face. Now, are there any sharps or flats from the key signature? No. All right, this A right here, that one has a natural. That's just there to actually trick you guys. This is just an A, just a regular A natural. Now, sometimes in some music, there is a reason to have a natural there, even if, according to the key signature and the measure, it would be a natural as well. There are a few times where you will have that, so don't get freaked out by that. That is just a simple A. All right, now for our last one. This one is in the key of G, where we have 1 sharp, and that 1 sharp is on the top line. So where is that? Elvis's guitar broke down Friday. That one is an F. So every F, no matter where it's at, is going to be an F sharp from the key signature. Now remember, even if it is an F sharp from the key signature, the note and then the measure come before the key signature. So if there's a change to the note or the measure, it's no longer an F sharp. So this first one, that is our F of face, and it does have a natural sign, so it's just a regular plain F. Then we have a G here. That one is an F, and this one is an E. Now in this F, is it going to be F sharp or F natural? From the key signature, it would be an F sharp, but from earlier in the measure, which comes first, it comes before the key, taking a look at the measure, that one is just a regular plain old F. Now I'm going to cut to where you see all of these answers typed out as they should be into your answer bar. Remember, these answers are not going to be your answers. I have different questions here for these. So here's that cut. All right, so here we have all of the answers. They're nice and bolded for you. This is what it should look like, something similar on your own assignment. That is all for Lecture 4. Remember to be better than you were yesterday.